What's up, everybody? This is a shorter video. This is covering the recall for the 2020 and 2021 Shelby GT500. Does not affect the 2022. This is listed as an emissions recall. It is reprogramming of your PCM, your powertrain control module, as well as your TCM, your transmission control module. When you go to the dealer to do this reflash, hopefully your tech knows, but there's a computer change between 2020 and 2021. This is also listed in the recall information, but to reflash or diagnose computer issues with the 2020, you got to use a Ford system IDS. And for the 2021 and 2022, for that matter, use FDRS. So what about modified cars, you might ask? If your car is heavily modified, you know, if you're E85 or Whipple or whatever, and you've got a tune, and you don't want to convert it back to stock to go get this recall satisfied, I'll show here in the snippets of the recall letter, but basically it says new cars are on hold for sale because of the open recall. It's considered an emissions recall for whatever it's worth. But if you go to try to sell the car, it's going to show an active recall on the car. You know, obviously up to you whether you want to put it back to stock, which in some cases is not going to be, you know, feasible, not easily done. So if you don't do this retune of both the trans and the engine, your car is still going to be listed as an open recall. I had this recall done with the reflash of both the trans and the engine, and drove it home from the dealership. I expected maybe some weird shifting because when you reflash the trans, or you know, pull power, pull your battery, lose power, whatever, dead battery, your trans loses the adaptive learning that it did on your shifting. So it may do some weird shifting. I didn't experience any weird shifting, drove home normally, and then the very next drive was out on the track at Circuit of the Americas. Car hauled butt, no issues, didn't see anything bad from the reflash. I did not try launch control. Carrie, which you're going to see here in the video when we pick it up at the dealership, said that the launch control may have been improved with this reflash. I haven't been able to verify that, but yeah, all good. And my car now has the recall closed out. We're going to pick it up here with some snippets of the recall letter and supplement, the full recall letter and supplements at the end of this video, and then we're going to go right into the dealership where I was filming the reflash. Thanks for watching. And what is this supposed to do for me?
They don't really give us too much information.
Other than it's better.
From what I understand, it's better, a better launch from the line. I'm going to assume higher line pressures.
Oh, so there's less delay on the drag mode launch?
Yes.
Ah, there's that.
Yes, that from my understanding and from what I've heard from customers is a quicker off the line launch.
Okay.
And more aggressive clutch application.
How about on a road course? Anything different I'm going to see?
I think maybe different shifts.
Oh, okay.
Some.
All right.
Some differences, but I don't know. Not night and day, I don't believe.
All right. Well, we're going to flash the sucker and see what it do. Here we go. All right. So what are you doing here? You keep my battery from going dead while we're flashing, right?
Yes.
Smart.
Just constant voltage.
Yeah. All right. Mr. Carey is plugging into the, oh yeah, I have my little reader on there, OBD2 port reader. He's plugging in his laptop. He's going to make this car double the horsepower, right?
Yes, with a Ford reprogram.
Oh, yeah. All right, then. And you're using FDRS, is that what that is?
Your car's IDS.
Say again?
Your car is IDS.
Oh, IDS. Oh, that's right. Yeah.
With being a 20, at 21, they went to FDRS.
Okay.
So I wait for this to launch and then close out of
So you said up to 20 was
IDS.
IDS. Do you know what that stands for? Is this their programming?
Integrated Diagnostic System.
Oh, okay.
And then FDRS is Ford Diagnostic and Repair System.
And that started in 21, you said?
Yes.
Okay, didn't know that. back in
yes.
there.
Yes.
All right, you hit the start button without the foot on the brake, put it in accessory mode.
Auto programming. It has a PCM and a TCM as well.
Okay. All right, current software version. Just gotta turn the accessory on and off a couple times.
And then it'll go through PCM reprogramming.
This is gonna make me faster than all the vets out there, right?
Well, you already were.
Well, the new Z06, come on now.
Well, you know.
Things are happening. The dash is cycling. Oh, service advanced track. Oh no.
Lots of ball coats. It's really messed up.
Oh man.
You'll have to sell it. I've got like $20.
Well, I'll be driving your F-150 at the track this weekend.
And then we'll have a laundry list of U codes.
Would you break, Carrie?
I broke everything.
Oh no!
I mean, this is just going to be lost communication with whatever. It took the CAN network down while reprogramming and told everything to go to sleep.
Okay.
And so the RCM, this one in particular, couldn't talk to the PCM, which we were talking with it. So
Okay.
we can clear that out. And
So, success,
I mean,
as far as we know. Shit. All right. Well, that's the transmission and bonus engine.
Yes.
ECM or ECU, PCM, whatever.
PCM.
PCM upgrade. It got calibrations for both the engine and the trans.
yes, both of them have been reprogrammed to the latest calibration.
I'm going to COTA this weekend, so we're going to see how it goes. Thanks again. He's the Shelby guru. Thanks for watching.